All right, hey, what's going on, Freedomers? In this video, we're going to be talking about uh, online success, image versus business and success equals in success. Your image will make you an influencer, but your business will make you a success. Your image will make you an influencer, but your business will make you a success. Because you can have all the image in the world. Because you know what's crazy? You know what's crazy? I'm gonna be real with you. You don't need image to be successful. You often need business to create an image. You feel what I'm saying? You don't need, well, that's probably wrong, but you don't need image to be successful. Meaning money in your bank account, dollars in your bank account. You don't need an image to be successful. You could literally start, and I'm gonna give you a formula right now. You can literally have an Instagram page, a $3 ebook that you fixed up, that you bought from PLR, that you're fixed up, and you sell for $97. Get traffic, and then have people buy that book. So you made a 97, 96, 95, 94. You made a $94 profit. And all you do is post on Instagram every day. And you need to pick a niche, of course. But all you do is post on IG every day. Let's say 3 to 15 times a day. You have a great image that you use from your phone. You go live about the topic, and you post on IGTV about it from your cell phone. You don't have no expensive equipment. All you got is a Metro PCS or whatever your service is. $50 phone. And that's straight business. This is business. This is PLR ebook, traffic by profit. And you made a profit. Don't get it fucked up that you feel like you need the perfect image to be successful. Image makes you an influencer. And depending on what business strategies you know, you can pay to have an image. You can pay for this. There are websites where you can pay for likes, you can pay for power likes, you can pay for follows, you can pay for all that. So you can pay for this, but this is something you have to know and you have to develop. Don't get this. You can, again, I'm going to give you the formula again. You can have a IG, a $50 Metro PCS phone. I'm going to give you the formula right now. You can have a Metro PCS phone, a PLR ebook that you bought for $3 to $5, sometimes less. And and you could fix it up, make it look good. You know, do all the nice work to the ebook. Sell that shit for $97 or maybe $47, $67. Let's say $97, right? And you sell that book for $100, right? And you made a $94 profit off every book you sold. And the crazy part about it is that's only the first sale. Every other sale now, you make $97. You make $97 every sale now because you spent that one-time investment. So, sorry. I'm a little weird. But don't get this fucked up that you need this perfect image. You need this perfect, I need to look a certain way, because that's not true online. in many formulas, this can work. In many arenas, this can work out in any arena. You can have an ebook, a class, and all you need is to provide the value of that. You can provide the value. I'm gonna give the formula again on how to make money online from a very simple perspective. I'm not gonna give you no fucking bird out the. I just damn, I'm erasing that shit again. Some fucking out the fucking sky fucking formula. I'm gonna give you a simple ass formula that you can make some money in the next before the next 15 days. Before the month is over. This is what you can do to make some money online. Before the month is over. Not after the month is over, not in the next 15 days. If you go hard as fuck with this shit, you can make some money. If you go hard as fuck. Hard as fuck. And let me tell you how to do this right now. So this is such a myth that you need all this image and you need all this fancy shit and you need all this need all this perfected Kim Kardashian image. Yo, it is so simple when it comes to this shit. It's so simple. You need let me write it again for you. Here you go. It's gonna be the last thing. You need, remember I said image creates influence. Image creates influence. Business equals success. Damn, not dry yet. Business equals success. Meaning you know the online business, not the online image. You have the online business. So if you know the online business strategy, you can easily create a little image equals success, right? So that means you can have a Metro PCS phone that is $50. At $50, okay? 50, excuse my handwriting. But $50 fucking dollars. A PLR ebook that you buy for $3 fucking dollars. Right? You fix it up. You fix it up. Meaning you corrected grammatical errors and all that other shit in there. You just make sure that the information is relevant. Right? You create an Instagram page. You create the content that's relevant to this niche that you bought the book in. You sell the book. You put it in your bio as it's for sale. How to get tips on whatever, right? A how to ebook, and you for 15 days you post 3 to 15 times a day according to this niche, and you go live. Damn, still wet. You go live. You go live, and on it you post on IGTV. And you even DM people if necessary to get through the funnel. You create a funnel, and then you sell the shit. So that the DM can be the manual, and the funnel could be a automated. The automated version. So the funnel is the automated, so people can buy when you're not there. So when you're creating that traffic, excuse me, when you're creating this traffic, going in, they say you don't got no money. When you're creating this traffic coming in, all this traffic, and then people buy from you based on the niche that you're in. Don't make it deep, bro. Image equals influencer, business equals success. You don't even have to have a image like that. You could do this from your phone for free. If you got nothing full of quotes, and yes, you go live with your face, and just be and focus on the business structure, and then you make the money. Peace. So go to bit.ly for slash free 15 minutes on how to make more money online. Peace.